Hey, what is up, YouTube Nation? It is Drew from DEO Productions back at ya. How y'all doing? But first, go ahead and hit subscribe. Go ahead and comment on this video or the previous videos up above. This is going to be the first bowling ball review I have done on my channel, and it is going to be of the TNBA Rhodman Pearl. This is the successor to the original Rhodman, the solid cover Rhodman, that black ball that went down the lane. Now this is a blue swirl ball that's going to feature a Juice Maxx Pearl cover stock, and is going to offer a little more length and a little more snap on the back end than that solid cover bowling ball. I hope you enjoy this. So with that, let's get out to the lanes and see what she does.